Hello, hi guys. I think I am audible, but I think my camera is not working. Mm, just give me a moment. One second. Okay, my camera having some issue, no problem. I'm just hiding it. Okay, I'm just putting it max. Let's focus today on more content. Okay, okay. I think you all are now able to see my screen. Okay, yes. Okay, let me start, guys. Let me start. Let me check who are all in stream. Okay, hi all. Thanks for joining first for that stream. Okay. I- Okay, guys, let's start. I think screen is visible. Okay, screen is visible. Let's start. So today we will solve two questions. Okay, let me put the today agenda. So disconnect. Okay, so today we will solve two questions. Okay, first subarray. First, we will find all the possible subarrays. Yesterday, I already told you, right? You need to calculate. If you calculated it, like if you complete your program, then very good. If you completed, then very, very good. Okay. Now, I'm just telling you that solution. Okay. Suppose I have this array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, now what are all the sub array from this? So how we can calculate the sub array, guys? How we can? We all know there is a formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, n into n plus divided by 2. How we can? Just put 4 into 5 divided by 2 means it will 10, mean from that array 10 sub array we can get, right? Okay, let's code for that quickly, guys. Please just open your JS compiler. Okay, and just do the code with me. Okay, the approach is simple. What we have to do, we have to iterate two loops. Okay, what we have to do, let me just write here. Okay, so what we have to do here, what we have to do, we have to iterate two loops. Okay, iterate two loops. What they will do, guys, what they will do, they will just start from I. Okay, and the j loop will work till I. Okay, that I will start from 0, j will work till I. Means means suppose I have this array 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 is there. Okay, now what will happen, I will start from 0, j will go till, like j will start from I, j will start from I and will go till length. So here 1 will come, then 2 will come, then 3 will come, right? Then 1 2 is also a array, then 1 2 3 is also the sub array, then 2 comma 3 is also the array, and 3 already we covered, right? So from 3 see these numbers of subarray we can calculate this as well. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so it will be 6. Okay, so 6 subarrays we can get from this array. Okay, now just open your compiler and start coding, guys. Start coding for that quickly. Okay, so I'm just making one function, print all sub array. Okay, print all sub array. So what that function will take first, it will take one array, for which array we need to calculate the sub array. Okay, suppose 1 2 3 is there. Okay, how we can get, like, how many combination will become from that number, guys? How many combination we know? N into n plus by 2. Okay, so we all know 6 combination will made. Okay, here just consume that array value. Okay, now start the loop from 0. Iterate that, uh, we can say that I loop till array dot length. Okay, and till I plus plus. Okay, just I'm copying this loop. Okay, and I'm just pasting here for j. Okay, for j. Okay, 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 and j will go till I, guys. J will go till I will explain you, just give me a moment. Okay, okay, now we need to take one new array, we can say sub array. In that array we will push all the values. Okay, we will push all the values. Okay, now now here we need to push all the values. Okay, here sub array dot push whatever the value is coming from array of I, just put that value, just push that value, guys. Okay, now in the sub array we have all the values in that, whatever the, like, combinations are there. Okay, whatever the combinations are there, we have these values. Just quickly test this program, quickly test this program. Okay, it will run or not, let's test it. Okay, it is showing undefined, it is showing undefined. Fine. Why print somewhere is there? I starting from 0 till length it is going. Sub array is there, and also we are pushing array. Okay, this is wrong, guys. By mistakenly we push. Oh, still it is not working. Is anyone know why it is not working? If you solve that problem, that code is in chat, just take that and just think about it. Why it is not working? I started from 0. Sub array is there. uh Hi Vasant, how are you? Thanks for joining, buddy. Let j equals to I, j less than array dot length, j plus plus. Sub array dot push. Tu, 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 tu. Why this is not working here? Why? I started from 0 till length it will go, and I plus plus. Sub array is there, j equal to I. Think, guys, think about it. We need to print all the sub array from it. Okay, let's test it one by one. Okay, just I'm printing here first sub array. Let's test it is going inside or not. Console.log sub array. Okay, let's test it here. Okay, it is coming as undefined, means it is coming as blank. Mm, okay, means it have the value, but on each iteration. Okay, in each iteration it is making that value as empty. That's why we got that null or undefined. Okay, instead of push we can use here slice as well. Okay, uh, okay, let me check what we can do here, what we can do here. So we have not returning anything from the function. Okay, but what happened na Shiva, sub array is becoming, okay, or we can do one thing, just console the value here itself, just console the sub array value here itself. Let's see now. Before making it empty na, it will just print. Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working, guys. But see here, it is giving us that empty array as well, but that should not come. Means these three is correct, these two is also correct, and this is also correct. Okay, but it is uh okay, let me, nope, 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 nope. One, two, three, one, two, three. No need of return now. We are just printing it here itself. Okay, and I'm just removing this console as well. So whatever it will, okay, these three values correct, these is also correct. Now I'm just removing this as well. If I will define this, it is coming, guys, it is coming, see, but that it is coming that with extras empty array. Just think about it, why it is not coming. Is anyone have completed that, Shiva, Vashant, or Ankit? Just make that program. We are pushing here, we are calculating here. I don't. Shiva, have you completed? Ankit, your one is working? Okay, Shiva, try. Da, 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 da. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, it is working, guys. See, we have placed that console log above, so that's why it was not working. Okay, see here. It is working, my dear warriors. It is working. Okay. Now it is returning six combinations. Okay. So what we did here for finding all the possible combinations from that array. Okay. What we did, we just start that loop. Okay, we started that loop, and till length we went, and here we are just pushing that value. Okay, we are pushing that value and just printing it. So if I will give as a 4, so it should print now 10 combinations. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are the possible subarray from this array. Okay, these are the possible subarray from this array. Now that first question is completed, that our first question is completed. Okay, from that question itself, one more question will come. One more question will come, guys. One more question will come. Suppose I have this array. Okay, now I want to find the sum of subarrays. I want to find the sum of subarrays. The logic is we have to return that subarray which have larger sum, which have larger sum. Now how you can do this means that program is saying suppose 1 2 3 4 is there, so there can be 10 sub arrays we can see here. Okay, there can be 10 sub arrays here. Now we have to return that one which having the larger sum, which having the larger sum. We can clearly see that 1 2 3 4 is that sub array which have the larger sum. Now we have to calculate it. So how we can calculate it? The first way is we will we will add all the sub array sum, and we will make one variable as a like uh, s- maximum sum. Then we will check if that value is maximum, then we will not update. If value is maximum, then we will update. So that can be the one way. Okay, there can be multiple ways for that. And one way we have cadence algorithm. Okay, we will see this. And let's move for first brute force approach. Okay, let's move first for brute force approach. So what can be the brute force approach for that problem? Okay, what can be the problem? So what we have to do, we have to find sub array sum problem. Okay, sub array sum problem. Now how we can do this? Okay, let me first take one maximum sum either as a zero or infinite. Means this is the larger one because we put minus, sorry, this is the smallest value we are putting in the maximum. Okay, at the first time. Now what we are doing, we have to iterate two loops, guys. We have to iterate two loops for finding the all sub array. We will find sub array, and we will calculate the sum from them for each individual sub arrays. Okay, for each sub array we will calculate the sum. Okay, if sum is greater, means current sum is greater, then take that one. If maximum sum is greater, take that one. Okay, so this we have to do, guys. This we have to do. Let's quickly code for that. Let's quickly code for that. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Okay, what we have to do, I'm just making one function maximum sub array. Okay, maximum sub array. Now I'm providing it as a input. Guys, it can be the positive number as well. It can have the negative number as well. Okay, suppose I have this type of array 1 minus 2 comma 4 is there, minus 1 is there. Okay, and it can be 2 as well here. 1, I'm just randomly putting the values. Okay, so this is our array. Now by seeing this, you can clearly see this 4 minus 3 to 5 and 6. Okay, we have to find that sub array. We have to find the sub array which have the larger, which have the larger number, which have the larger number. Okay, now see 3 4 4 this 7 6 7 8, this one. If we will add this sub array, then we can get that number. Okay, so just ignore this. What we have to do, we have to just make each sub array. Suppose 1 is sub array, minus 2 is also sub array, minus 1 minus 2 is also sub array, this is also sub array, this is. See how many numbers in that array: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 numbers are there. So how many possible sum arrays from this? 9 into 9 plus 1, divide by 2. Right, right, means 90 divided by 2, how many? 45. The 45 sub array will come from this, right, from this. Then we need to calculate the sum for each sub array, and we need to return that highest, or we can say maximum sub array result. Maximum sub array result. Okay, let me tell you how we can do. Okay, now what we have to do, just take that array first. Now listen this first. Initialize first maximum. Either you can initialize this via 0, or it's safe just put infinite. Okay, just put infinite. What is the spelling? Infinite is, I'll sing all. Okay, I think I should be capital. Now it's correct. So we are just putting minus infinite here, so it have the very very less, like it, from this array, this value, from this, please listen guys, from this array this value is very very less, so we are just putting max sum as a minus infinite. Okay, now what we have to do, just iterate two loops. Okay, I should go tell array dot length. Okay, then I plus plus. Let me write once, then I will explain. Okay, here just take current sum as a 0. Okay, and for the same just write the logic for inside a loop. Okay, this is our inside loop. This is our insider loop. Okay, now in that loop what we have to do, we have to just increase, we have to just calculate the sum, we have to just calculate the sum array of I in that current sum. Okay, now in max sum, guys please listen, in max sum what we will do, in max sum what we will do, we will just take math maximum value from which values, that maximum and that current sum, maximum and the current sum. So what that function will do, it basically do that, it will check which value is larger and it will store that in maximum. Okay, it will store them in maximum. Now just return that maximum. Now let me just quickly tell you what exactly is happening here. Okay, let me open my S Pen. Where is my S Pen, yaar? Wait, need to install. Window S Pen. Epic Pen is there. Uh, Download for Windows. Give me just a moment. Okay, I'm just installing this so I can clearly tell you like how this code is working. Error is a part of my life now. I accept the agreement. Next, install. देखें जरा. It is returning one value here, that's why we need to print it, or we can take it in one variable as well. And change park dum dum, it is working, but I think it should show 9 or something. Enter your activation code, try for free. It has been completed. Okay, it is coming guys, see. But how we can move this here? Okay, from this. Nice here, nice. Okay, let's quickly focus to our program. Okay, now we have this array 1 minus 2 3 4 minus 1 2 1 5 and 4. Okay, just put that value minus and put that plus. Now it should return 9. Oh, 8. Okay, let me check, let me run this program, run this. Okay, okay, so what we are doing here, we are mm, okay, what we are doing, we are just initializing, for the first time max sum as infinite. Okay, as infinite means the lesser value, we can say lesser value. Okay, on the next step what we are doing, we are just iterating the loops here. Okay, we are just iterating the loops here. Okay, so what that first loop is saying, okay, start the value from 0 and go till nth. Okay, go till array dot length and just plus plus, means this is the plus, just go like this. Okay, mean this, if this is the array, if this is the array, just go increasing in order. Okay, just go increasing in order. Okay, good, very good. So inside that we are just making one variable as a current sum as 0. So what is the logic, guys? Here, what is the logic? We are updating current sum every time. Okay, see here, we are updating that current sum every time, and we are just comparing that max sum or current sum. If max sum is greater, that put that value max sum. If current sum is greater, then put the value in current, like put that value current sum in a max sum. So we are just taking the maximum value. Okay, we are just taking the maximum value, guys. And what we are doing here, for each sub array, for each sub array, we are calculating the sum. Okay, for each sub-array, we are calculating the sum. Now let me check. Uh, okay. Okay, I'm just running it. Now I'm just checking why it is returning 8. Okay. So, okay, first thing, what we are doing, guys, here, see, you guys are also not telling me. This is the problem. J should go till I. Wow, guys, wow. Now it is returning 24. Okay, let me check. Let me check once. Give me a moment. Current sum in slice is a 0 plus equal to array of I. Max sum, we are just taking that math dot maximum from max sum and for the current sum, and we are just returning that value. No, no, Mang, no. No, Mang, it will not work like this. I just focus on installing this stuff. Okay, what we are doing? I think Shiva has completed this code. Shiva sent in chat itself, here itself. आता था करके भेज दे. What is happening today? For j equal to I, j less than array dot length j plus plus. We are just doing like this. And we are just returning maximum. Correct only. Okay, Shiva saying sent this code. Let me just comment this code. Okay. This he sent me. And after this, what we are doing, left subarray let sum equal to 0. Okay. Okay, let me copy it from WhatsApp here. Let me copy it from WhatsApp. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Just send me on WhatsApp, Shiva. Okay. Now let me run this. Uh, so it is showing some error because at somewhere okay, these are missing asterisks here. Okay. Sum of sub array is 1 3 6. Guys, see, this is correct, this is correct. So what we are doing here, we are just printing all the sub array sums here. Okay, see, 1 3 6 2 5 3, and whatever the maximum value, whatever the maximum value, we are just printing it here. Okay, let me find that error here, yeah, once. Why it is not working? Why that bloody stuff code? Guys, put the eagle eye on this. Umang, Umang, my buddy, Umang. Is your code is running? Current sum we are is putting array of. Oh, guys, see this, see this. We are just adding that array of I value here. This is the problem. See, now it is working. It is working, guys. It is working. What we are doing, we are initially we was adding that I here. Okay. Now it will work, guys. It will work. If I will do like this, if I will do like this, then it will return 6. See, it is working. Okay, it is working, guys. We found that problem, we found that problem. Okay, so this is the code, this is the code. So these question is very 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 important. Okay, don't take them as a granted. Okay, please practice these both question, these both question, please practice. One. First one is subarray. We need to find the subarray. Okay, and the second one is, mm, like sum of array, sum of sub array. Okay, sum of sub array. So this question is important. Okay, tomorrow we will do this via, cadence algorithm. Okay, and you can see here we are running two loops. Okay, here we are running two loops. Okay, so the time complexity for that will be order of n square. Okay, which is not good, which is worst, not worst as well, which is not good. Okay, which is not good. And ki power square means this is not good. So we have to solve that in order of n. Okay, means in order of n time we have to solve this. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. We will meet on the same time tomorrow with the concept of cadence algorithm, and tomorrow we will finish this array part. Okay, we will finish array part. Okay, because we have already give too much time to array. Okay, see here, uh, see here, we have completed this equilibrium point, mean and median, prefix sum, two sum, three sum, array leader problem, duplication, remove, left, rotate, move, all zero. We have completed like lots of problem in that. Now tomorrow we will cover that cadence algorithm, which will solve that problem in order of n time. Okay, and this sliding window problem. Okay, and we will see that stock and buy sell one pattern as well. Okay, so tomorrow please stay tuned at the same time. We will solve these questions. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. And we can conduct that class in Saturday as well for just binding up the array. Okay, from Monday, because we will start this searching and sorting. Okay, we will understand binary search, linear search, two pointer technique, everything we'll do, and we will do these questions as well. That's it for guys today. We'll meet on the same time. Okay, thanks for joining, buddy. Thanks for joining. And if you have subscribed, then very well. If not, just click subscribe. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.